Hello and welcome again. In this video I will talk about the 3D box tool. Create 3D boxes. Just click on this tool and you can draw 3D box like this tool, like this box. As you can see, there are two vanishing points from the right and from the left. You can control the position of the vanishing point. This tool can be used to create perspective objects or box or like buildings, like house. This is this line. Just put this point, this vanishing point on this line and another vanishing point to the same line. As you can see, this is perspective drawing. You can control the height, the length, the width of the box. You can also control this Y angle, make it perspective also. You can enable or disable this 3 point. Also you can disable, you can make it parallel, not perspective. You can enable vanishing point in the Z angle also. You can disable perspective or enable perspective character. But the default, make it as default. Make this 90 degree with parallel line, and make the X and Z angle perspective without any angle to draw your 3D box. You can control the direction of your 3D box also, like this. I will keep it. You can also control the size of your 3D box, control the position. You can draw another 3D boxes. You can also move the 3D box with selection tool, but you can modify the properties of the 3D box by the same tool, 3D box tool. You can also change the position. Now it's above the vanishing point. It's below two vanishing point. As you can see, you can draw with perspective property.